Hello, welcome to day 28 of DSA challenge, and today I have solved a one question related to string and it is a medium level question. Okay, so let's start with that. And the question is string to integer, and in short we say it a to I. So let's understand first what the question is saying. So implement the my a to I string s. So this is the function name my a to I, which convert a string to a 32-bit signed integer, right? So 32-bit signed integer means it can be an integer that is plus and minus, and it should be between in some range, and that range is, if we go down, so the range is minus 2 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1. So that's the range, right? So we have to also handle this case as well. We will see this further. So in this algorithm, we need to take care about these 4 points. First is white space. So we have to ignore white space that will come under that string or with that string, right? Second is signedness. So we have to determine the sign by checking it is a minus sign or plus sign, right? If there is nothing, then we will assume that this is a positive, right? Third is conversion. There is any leading zero in our string or a non-digit character, then we have to skip that, or if there is no digit will be fine, then we will return our answer as 0. And the fourth is rounding. So as we have discussed, if the integer is out of the 32-bit signed integer range this, then round the integer to remain in the range. Specifically, integer less than minus 2 to the power 31 should be rounded to minus 2 to the power 31, and integer greater than 2 to the power 31 minus 1 should be rounded to 2 to the power 31 minus 1, right? So we will see this as well. So let's discuss one by one our all input, and we will see how we are getting our result or output, right? So let's go over whiteboard. Let's go to our whiteboard, and yeah. So first we will see our first example, that is 42, right? So 42 is a simple one, this one, right? In this, first we will check if is there any white spaces trailing or leading. No, there is nothing. Second one is we will check for sign. Is there any sign here? No, we don't have any sign. Third one is if there any zeros, if there any leading zero or non-digit value. No, that's not there. So three all are passed. Fourth one is we will take one by one. This is I. So we can do one thing. Result is equal to result multiply by 10 plus our value, right? So we will see first result will be 0 in the starting. So this will be 0 plus 4. So result equal to 4. And second time when we will iterate from this, then we will see, okay, so results value was 4. So 4 multiplied by 10 plus 2. So it will be 42. So here in this loop, we will check if this character that we have, it is a digit, then we will move further, or the length of the or the value of this I should be less than length of string, right? And so this is our first one, 42. So this was the simple one. Let's move forward for our second input, and that is underscore minus 042. We will see. Okay, here we have a leading white space, so we will remove it. Second, we will check for the sign. So we found, okay, that at s of 0 we have a minus sign, right? S of 0 we have a minus sign. So what we can do? Sign equal to minus ka 1, right? When we will return our result, then we can multiply this sign, right? If we will have the plus, then we will multiply this plus with our result. So then at the time of return, our result will be positive, else our result will be negative, right? So second point is complete. Then we will see further for our 0 leading, right? So yes, we have our 0 leading as well. When we have kept our sign, then we can move forward our I. So here I will be plus equal to 1, right? So our I will be here. Then we will move forward in our loop, that is our while loop. So then we will see that our I is less than length of s, and this value is digit or a non-digit, right? So yes, we will get this is a digit point, right? Then again the same thing we will follow this formula. Result is equal to result multiply 10 plus s of I. So here will be 0 plus 0. At this point our result will be 0, right? And we will move forward, then we will have 4, then our result at this point will be 4, and after that our result will be 42. So at the end we have to return 42. So that's our answer, right? And third one, here all the things will be moved forward smoothly. After that we will find this C, and that's not a digit. So here at that point we will move out, and our loop will be breaked, and our loop will break here, and after that our I will not move further, and our result will be multiplied by that, multiply with sign. After this third one we have 4, that is 0 minus 1. So we will see, okay, we have 0, and again that this is a digit, and also I less than that, so result will be 0 here, and after that it will go for the while loop. It will go in while loop and see, okay, this is not a digit, so again it will not go into the loop, and we return our answer as 0. And after fourth we have fifth, and this is words and 987. And in this one, in first go we will not have our digit, then all the way it will return result multiply by sign, that will be 0. So इस तरीके से हमने अपने सारे जो इनपुट्स थे उनको गो थ्रू किया एक बार कि ओके कैसे हमारी एक जो 4 कंडीशंस है वो अप्लाई होंगी सारी की सारी, और हमें कैसे अपना रिजल्ट रिटर्न करना है, राइट? एक चीज और थी जो राउंड ऑफ वाली थी, तो उसमें हम सिंपल क्या कर रहे होंगे कि ओके, इफ साइन मल्टीप्लाई बाय रिजल्ट अगर ग्रेटर देन हो रहा है इसको, तो हम इसको राउंड ऑफ कर रहे होंगे, रिटर्न कर देंगे, इन द सेंस हम रिटर्न कर देंगे इसको सेम ये वाली चीज, और अगर वो लेस देन हो रहा होगा तो हम रिटर्न कर देंगे ये वाली चीज। सो ये हमने जो ओवरफ्लो हो रहा है उसको हैंडल कर लिया, इट मीन्स फोर्थ कंडीशन को हमने यहाँ पे हैंडल किया है। सो इस तरीके से हमने अपने सारे टेस्ट केस पास कर लिए हैं। अगर हम अपने सबमिशन में जाएं तो हमने 0 मिलीसेकंड में इसको क्रॉस किया, एंड यहाँ पे हमने 100% लोगों को बीट किया। सो आई वुड से दिस इज द गुड कोड, एंड दिस इज फॉर टुडे। लेट्स मीट एट अनदर वीडियो एट अनदर डे। आई होप आप भी अपने डीएसए क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे होंगे। लेट्स लर्न एंड ग्रो टुगेदर। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। बाय बाय।